Our new line of cookware has the right tool for the job. Stainless steel is by far the best material for getting that perfect sear on your steak, chicken, or fish. Our new non-stick cookware will make cooking, cleaning, and storing your cookware easier than ever. Our exclusive two-step removable handle locks firmly into place every time, and it makes storing the pans easy, no matter what size kitchen you have. Get to know the different pieces in our collection by trying out some of our great new recipes. You're really gonna love it.
Between work, school, practice, lessons, and appointments, we steal little moments as a family. The kids stop bickering, start having fun cooking together, and I get to teach them a new skill, even if they're acting silly. Pampered Chef makes it easy, with family-friendly recipes, simple cooking tools, and everyday inspiration for me and my kids. They look forward to the moments we share in the kitchen, cooking and laughing, and so do I. Someday, way too soon, they'll be off to college, but we will always have these memories together.
Food, family, and friends. When you bring them together, you're creating so much more than a meal. You're creating memories. You'll remember the stories told, the laughter you shared, and the love you felt for a lifetime. At Pampered Chef, we help you create memories with easy recipes, intuitive cooking tools, and everyday inspiration. You'll nourish everyone at your table and still have time to savor every moment. Tonight, let's ditch drive-through meals and pizza delivery and bring mealtime back home instead. Grab your little helpers, pick out your favorite recipes, and press the pause button on life. You'll be glad you did. Together, we can bring back dinner time, because food, family, and friends are the most important ingredients in everyone's life.
My favorite moments in life are when I'm having fun with my kids and their friends. It doesn't happen as often as I'd like, but Pampered Chef makes it easy. Their kid-friendly recipes and tools made just for them let me create a night of fun that's guaranteed to make everyone smile. Sometimes we have to disconnect to reconnect so we can enjoy the moments in life that really matter. The kids are laughing, I'm teaching them a valuable skill, and we're getting the face time we need to keep our home happy and healthy.
Pampered Chef is all about family. It's all about bringing your family back around the dinner table and setting those traditions, because I think everyone, no matter where you came from, no matter what your background, your race, your, whatever, you can relate to experiences either around the dinner table or around mealtime, and it just makes it so much more practical and real for families out there today who are struggling.